Hello and welcome back to my channel, Sparkly Diamonds. If you're new here, thank you very much for joining me today. Please leave a like and a comment, and hopefully you'll subscribe for more diamond painting content. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you again for your continued support. So today we have an unboxing of Paint Gem Birds Edition. Now I've been getting into these mini kits a lot recently. I think they are perfect for when you want to do some diamond painting but don't want to sort of commit to a good amount. But this one's got lots of little ones in it. So we have it comes with our drills. This isn't new to me. So it's this is from Angel Lee Rose. So yes, I don't know where I was going with that. So it doesn't have all the toolkit in and everything else like that, but I'm not too bothered about the toolkit. So first we have the crane bird, which is gorgeous. We have the swan. We have the pigeon or dove, because all of our pigeons are grey. And then we have the mandarin duck. We have the parrot, the owl. Is that what's this one? The Christmas robin. We have it says tit bird, but that is a blue tit. We have a peacock, flamingo, a toucan, a penguin, a hummingbird, a pelican, a pheasant, and an eagle. These are perfect little mini kits if you're out and about on a long journey, or if you're going on holiday and just want to do a little bit with a little bit of your downtime. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. There's lots of cool designs there. They're going to be fun. I will probably add some enhancements into them a little bit, just to sort of bring out a bit more of the colouring. As you know, I do love my enhancement drills. So please, if there's if you've got paint gems in your collection and you've got one that you think I should try, let me know. Is there any of these designs that you're looking forward to seeing how they turn out the most? Please let me know as well. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.